Improving English skills and building vocabulary is a journey that involves practice, exposure, and a willingness to engage with the language in various ways. Whether you're a beginner or someone looking to refine your skills, there are several effective strategies you can use to enhance your command of English and expand your vocabulary. To start, immerse yourself in the language as much as possible. Surrounding yourself with English through books, movies, music, and conversations can significantly boost your understanding and retention. Begin with materials that match your current skill level, and gradually challenge yourself with more complex content as you improve. For instance, if you're a beginner, children's books or simplified news articles can be a great starting point. As your proficiency grows, you can move on to classic literature, complex academic texts, or films with intricate plots. Incorporate a variety of media into your routine. Listening to English podcasts or watching English TV shows and movies can help you get accustomed to different accents, colloquial expressions, and cultural references. Try to engage actively with these materials. For example, pause and repeat phrases, jot down new words, and look up their meanings. This will help you understand how words are used in context and enhance your listening skills. Reading is another crucial aspect of improving English skills. Choose reading materials that interest you, whether they are novels, newspapers, magazines, or online articles. As you read, pay attention to sentence structures, idioms, and new vocabulary. Make it a habit to keep a notebook or a digital document where you can write down unfamiliar words and their definitions. Review this list regularly to reinforce your learning. Expanding your vocabulary involves more than just encountering new words. Actively using new words in your writing and speaking is essential for retaining them. Practice writing essays, journal entries, or even social media posts using new vocabulary. Engage in conversations with native speakers or fellow learners, and try to incorporate the new words you've learned. The more you use new words, the more naturally they will become a part of your vocabulary. Another effective technique is to use flashcards for vocabulary building. Create flashcards with a new word on one side and its definition and an example sentence on the other. You can use physical cards or digital flashcard apps. Review these flashcards regularly to reinforce your memory. You can also group words by themes or topics, such as travel, technology, or emotions, to make learning more organized and relevant. Engaging in language exchange can also be beneficial. Find a language partner with whom you can practice English in exchange for helping them with your native language. This kind of reciprocal learning allows you to practice speaking and listening in a low-pressure environment while also gaining insights into different cultures and communication styles. Grammar and syntax play a significant role in mastering English. To improve your grammatical skills, consider studying grammar guides or taking online grammar courses. Practice exercises and quizzes can help you apply grammatical rules and identify areas where you need improvement. Remember that understanding grammar is not just about following rules but also about improving clarity and effectiveness in your communication. Setting specific goals can help you stay motivated and track your progress. For example, you might set a goal to learn and use 5 new words each week or to read a certain number of pages from an English book each day. Track your achievements and celebrate your milestones, no matter how small they may seem. This will help you maintain a positive attitude and keep moving forward. Using technology can also enhance your learning experience. Language learning apps often have built-in features for expanding vocabulary, practicing pronunciation, and improving listening skills. Explore different apps and find one that suits your learning style. Some apps offer interactive exercises, games, and quizzes that make learning fun and engaging. Another effective way to build vocabulary is to engage with word games and puzzles. Activities like crossword puzzles, word searches, and Scrabble can be enjoyable ways to learn new words and reinforce your existing vocabulary. These games often challenge you to think critically and recall words, which helps in long-term retention. Consistency is key when it comes to language learning. Make English practice a regular part of your daily routine. Even short, consistent practice sessions can lead to significant improvements over time. Whether it's a few minutes of reading, listening, or writing each day. Maintaining regular practice will help reinforce your learning and build your confidence. Participating in online forums or discussion groups related to your interests can also be a great way to practice English. Engaging in discussions on topics you are passionate about will not only help you practice writing and reading but also expose you to new vocabulary and ideas. Interacting with others who share your interests can make learning more enjoyable and relevant. It's also valuable to seek feedback on your language use. If you have a teacher, tutor, or language partner, ask them to provide feedback on your writing and speaking. Constructive feedback can highlight areas for improvement and provide guidance on how to enhance your skills. Use this feedback to make adjustments and continue progressing. Another strategy for vocabulary building is to learn words in context. Instead of memorizing isolated words, try to understand how they fit into sentences and how they are used in different scenarios. This contextual learning helps you grasp nuances and connotations, making it easier to use words accurately and appropriately. For advanced learners, delving into specialized vocabulary related to your field of interest or profession can be highly beneficial. If you are studying or working in a specific area, such as business, science, or the arts, focus on learning terminology that is relevant to that field. This will not only expand your vocabulary but also improve your ability to communicate effectively within your area of expertise. Networking with other English learners or speakers can provide additional opportunities for practice and learning. Join language learning groups, attend workshops or meetups, and participate in online communities. Sharing your experiences and challenges with others who are also learning can provide support, motivation, and new perspectives on the language learning process. Finally, remember that language learning is a gradual process, and patience is essential. It's normal to encounter difficulties and make mistakes along the way. Embrace these challenges as part of your learning journey. Celebrate your successes, no matter how small, and keep pushing forward. With dedication and persistence, you will see improvements in your English skills and vocabulary over time. In summary, improving your English skills and building your vocabulary involves a multifaceted approach that includes regular practice, exposure to various forms of media, active use of new words, and consistent engagement with the language. Utilize a combination of reading, listening, speaking, and writing exercises to enhance your proficiency. Incorporate technology, seek feedback, and participate in language exchange to further support your learning. By making English a regular part of your life and setting achievable goals, you'll steadily progress and become more confident in your language abilities.